On this LB7 Duramax motor, we're using our GripEdge T55 dual action driver that is 3/8 drive. Then we're using the dual drive feature with a 17mm wrench to loosen it up. Since it was in a tight access area, you can see our standard tool would not be able to reach there. So now we're using the wrench here and we are able to loosen this up and get this fastener out of here. With our GripEdge RPT dual action drivers, they are only 27mm in length. They are also 3/8 drive, and then you can of course use a 17mm wrench to loosen up that fastener, and it has our rounding prevention technology, which prevents the damage from happening to the fastener, allowing you to apply up to 50% more grip on brand new undamaged fasteners and up to 400% more grip on damaged fasteners. We also make them in RPT Hex and Triple Square design, so you can loosen up fasteners in tight access areas. We're using an electric ratchet here to loosen it up and prevent the damage from happening. With our standard hex tool, it would have been too tight of an area. So we have these in 1/4 inch drive and 3/8 drive, and they are covered by a lifetime warranty.